Welcome to another senior book lesson, okay? And this time I think it's lesson number 8, okay? And until now we've been reviewing the 3 tenses, okay? Or we kind of did 4 actually, but the actual time tenses were 3, okay? So the first one we did was now, okay, now, and we did plus and minus. So I'm recording a YouTube video, I'm not eating, okay? And then we did the past as well. So this morning I ate rice for breakfast, okay? I didn't eat bread for breakfast, okay? And the future, okay? Today I'm going to eat rice for lunch, okay? And again, I'm not going to eat bread for lunch, okay? Alright, so we did the plus and the minus, okay? And today we're going to practice reviewing the questions, okay? And although there are 3 tenses, okay, although there are 3 tenses, the now, the past and the future, actually there are only 2 patterns for the questions, okay? So you only have to remember 2 patterns, okay? So I'm going to show you the first one now. Alright, so the sentence for now, okay, the sentence for now is I am eating, okay? The sentence for the future is I am going to eat, okay? And also the sentence for I am, just a normal bidoshi, okay, is I am Masa, okay? And if you look, they're all the same. Look, I am, okay? It's just the same. And when you have I and am in English, how do you make a question using I and am? It's very easy. Yes, that's right. You just swap them over. Okay? Why did my voice go so high? So I don't know. So if you have I and am, all you have to do is you just have to change the position. Okay? So I am becomes am I. Very good. And he is becomes is he. Very good. And you are becomes are you. Okay, and she is she. Okay, and they are they. Okay, and it is it. That's it, okay? So, when you want to do a normal bidoshi sentence question, okay, and a question for now, okay, and a question for the future, it's exactly the same, okay? You can change it and say, am I Masa? Or you can say, am I eating? Or you can say, am I going to eat? Okay? This last part, you have to change the last part here, but the first part just stays the same, okay? Am I? Is he? Are you? Are they? Okay? That's it. Alright, very easy. But in this kind of question, this is a yes, what we call a yes-no question. Okay, or I always call it a yes-no question because the answer is either yes or no. Okay, and again, there's a pattern to this. It's very, very easy. Okay, I'm going to show you up here on the screen. Okay, so again, if we have the question, am I Masa? Okay, once more, am I Masa? Okay, in here, okay, it's a yes-no question. So you just put yes or no, yes or no. Okay. And the question was, am I Masa? I. Am I Masa? So the answer is yes. Okay, exactly. It's not I, okay? Yes, you, yes, you, okay? And then this part and this part are the same. Yes, you are. Are. It's a bidoshi, okay? Yes, you are, okay? Okay. And then this bit here is no, you are not. That's it. And are not, you can change it to aren't. Okay? So, am I Masa? Am I Masa? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Okay, or are not. Okay? Alright. And if you change the question, if you change this person in the question, okay, so this time if you ask, are you Masa? Are you Masa? Okay? Yes, I, again it's I, okay, these two change, okay? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Okay? No, I am not. Okay, and for you and I, it's a little bit tricky. You have to change, you have to swap you and I, okay? But if it's he and she and they and it, and okay, then you don't have to change it, okay? So if you say, is he sleeping? Is he sleeping? Okay, you just say yes, he, and then is. It's exactly the same. And no, he is not. And is not becomes isn't. Okay? So the answers are very easy. It follows a pattern. Okay? It's this one and this one and this one are the same. Okay? Is, or am, are. Okay? Are, am. Okay? But they're basically the same. 비동시, 비동시, 비동시. Okay? Alright, so that was the yes no question for normal 비동시 for now and for the future. Okay? And we have one more. We have the past, okay? The past. And for the past, it's a little bit different, okay? Because when we're making a sentence for now or for the future, okay, we use a 비동시, okay? We use the 비동시, okay? But when we made a sentence about the past, there was no 비동시, okay? There was no 비동시. What kind of doshi did we use? If you say I ate bread. I ate bread. What kind of doshi is this doshi? Okay, exactly. It's a did doshi, okay? I always refer to it as a did doshi, okay? The do doshi is eat, the do doshi is eat, but we change that to the did doshi, which is ate, okay? So it's a did doshi, it's a did doshi. So when you make a question using the past, you need to use the word did. Exactly, okay? So when you want to make a question in English using the past, okay, just think it's a did doshi, did. So you need the word did. That's it, okay? So when we make a question, we say did you, and what comes here? Do we say did you ate, or do we say did you eat? What do you think? Do we say did you ate, or do we say did you eat? The answer is exactly did you eat, okay? In here we have a do doshi, not a did doshi. Why? I don't really know. I always think of it in kind of a maths kind of term, or I don't know. In this one question, okay, you only need one did doshi, and you have a did doshi here. This is the past, okay? So you don't need another one here, okay? If you have a past and a past, they kind of cancel each other out and make zero, and it'd be, I don't know, okay? So did he eat? Did you sleep? Did they watch? Did we go? Okay? Okay? Did, the subject, and then a do doshi, okay? And once more, very, very easy, okay? Did you eat bread? Did you eat bread? This is a yes, no question. So we say yes, yes. You becomes I, okay? Yes, I, okay? And then look, it's the same one as this. This is did, so this is did. Yes, I did, okay? And then no, I did not. No, I did not. And did not, put them together, and you can make didn't. Okay, and we used that before in the negative, didn't we? In the negative we said I didn't eat. I didn't want. Okay? So when you want to make a question for the past, we say did, okay? Subject, and then do doshi, okay? And then yes, subject, did. And then no, subject, did not. And did not becomes didn't. Okay? Alright, that's it. Hopefully this is going to be a short video today, okay? There's nothing in the homework, you don't have to write anything. I just wanted you to watch the video so that you kind of remembered, or you know, it stuck in your head about the past, okay? Okay, so we're going to practice making questions in lessons and things, but until then, please try and remember, okay? There are only two patterns, okay? 비동시, I, you, he, she, subject, okay? And then did, and then subject. That's it, okay? Alright, so until next time, see you.